Hi, this is Lucia with The Art of Love. Today I want to talk about a phenomenon that I noticed as a result of your comments on my YouTube channel. So I learned from you. Many people have posted about this, so I felt it was important to talk about it. Let me read this short comment and then I will explain. Okay, this person said, I was in no contact for 3 weeks and it was my ex's birthday and I didn't wish her a happy birthday. Good. You're not supposed to. She used to see my pictures that I would upload to WhatsApp. But after her birthday, I noticed she blocked me. Well, this is not unusual. Interestingly enough, I've heard about this happening many times. Your ex didn't hear from you on their birthday. Even though they broke up with you, they still expected you to reach out to them and reward them, even though they kicked you out of their life. And then when they don't hear from you, obviously they're upset because that is why they suddenly start blocking you on, in this case, WhatsApp, or unfollowing you, etc., etc. And people freak out and think, oh my God, what should I do? As usual, nothing. Continue with the no contact. It's obviously working because if they didn't care, they wouldn't get angry. A person that doesn't care does not get angry that you don't contact them on their birthday. They wouldn't even have noticed. They weren't expecting you to contact them on their birthday, and then when they didn't hear from you, they don't care. And so usually they end up blocking you or unfollowing you the day after. It can't be a coincidence because I've seen this happen time and time again. So don't worry. Don't think it's over. Just know that this means that they still care and that no contact is working. And you just need to continue on. Do not contact them and see what happens. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you're interested in private coaching with yours truly, myself, you can contact me at my website, theartoflove.net. If you're listening to this on iTunes, I would appreciate if you would rate and review the podcast. If you're listening on YouTube, thank you for subscribing. And finally, remember that love inspires, empowers, uplifts, and enlightens.